Programming your Sky Remote to control your TV and Skybox is simple. Here's how. Locate the version number of your Sky Remote. This can be found on the label on the inside of your battery cover. To find your 4-digit code to pair your Sky Remote to your TV, you will need to go to this page. Select the version of your Sky Remote. Enter the make and model of your TV and press Get My Code. This will generate a unique number for you. If you don't know the model of your TV, leave this blank and a series of unique codes will be automatically generated for you. Press the TV button and then press Select and the red button together until the red light at the top of the remote flashes twice. Now enter your 4-digit code, then press Select. Finally, press the up or down volume buttons to complete the process. Your remote and TV are now paired.